Hi everyone, I just wanted to let you guys know that I updated my website. If you click the link in the email, it will take you to this new and improved classroom website. So right at the beginning, we just have our week at a glance, what we're working on for that particular week, and any important announcements that your child needs to know. Lesson videos. I am starting to implement some videos where I will record a brief synopsis of something we did or materials, whatnot that your child might need for that particular day. So I'm just posting those here. So I did one for yesterday because the students were working in their textbooks, so this just shows them how to access that textbook from home. Interactive notebooks. Anytime we're using notebooks and your student misses their notes, they can go on here and they can find them all. The calendar is probably the most important feature for your child, as they can click on their class period, click on the day, and then it gives them a brief description of what we did in class that day, and then any links that they may or may not need. Resources, syllabus, citizenship log, helpful links that we use, some English games, about me, and then contact me. So you may just put your name, your email, subject, message, and then that sends that directly to my nv.ccsd account. If you have any questions, comments about the website, please feel free to email me. Thank you.